I'm so excited to share with you guys my new favorite tea. This is from the Tea Spot and it's called Golden Milk, which has turmeric in it for anti-inflammatory benefits. The hibiscus flower adds a nice floral taste as well. And I love that this is caffeine-free, so I can drink it at night before bed. It also comes in different flavors like ginger, lemon, peach, mango, and more. So go check them out on their website today.